Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to teach you about this chapter, redox reactions of chemistry for class 11th. In this chapter, I have already discussed about the what is reduction, what is oxidation, what is redox reactions, and reactants, reductants, and oxidants. Now, I am going to discuss about the definition of oxidation and reduction on the basis of electronic concept. On the basis of electronic concept, electronic theory, loss of electron by an atom or ion is called oxidation, and gain of electron by an atom or ion is called reduction. This is oxidation and this one is reduction. For example, if Na changes to Na plus by loss of one electron, then this process is oxidation. Mg changes to Mg2 plus by loss of 2 electron. Al changes to Al3 plus by loss of 3 electron. Fe2 plus changes to Fe3 plus by loss of electron. These are the processes of oxidation. Oxidation reactions. Cu2 plus by gaining 2 electrons changes to Cu. This is reduction, gain of electron. Sn4 plus by gain of 2 electrons changes to Sn2 plus. These are reduction reactions. Okay, this is the electronic concept. One more concept on the basis of oxidation number. This is also given. What is oxidation? On the basis of oxidation number concept, the definition of oxidation is increase in oxidation number. If an atom or ion increases its oxidation number, then the process is called oxidation. If there is decrease in oxidation number, then the process is reduction. This one is oxidation and this one is reduction. This is about the oxidation reduction in terms of oxidation number. See here, if Na changes to Na plus, there is increase in oxidation number. The oxidation number of Na here is 0, but here it becomes plus 1. Means there is increase in oxidation number. This is called oxidation. If Cl2 changes to minus 1, this is the decrease in oxidation number and this is called reduction. This one is reduction and this one is oxidation. This is the oxidation number concept for oxidation and reduction. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about the types of redox reactions. Types of redox reactions. Types of redox reactions. Redox reactions are of various types. Out of these three are more common. First one is addition, or you can say combination reactions. Combination reactions. You know that when two compounds combine together to form a single product, then this reaction is called addition or combination. See here, the oxidation number of carbon is 0. Oxidation number of oxygen in free state is also 0. But here, the oxidation number of oxygen becomes minus 2 and carbon becomes plus 4. This is oxidation due to increase in oxidation number, and this one is reduction due to decrease in oxidation number. Means this is a type of redox reaction in which addition or combination takes place. See here one more example like this. This is also a type of addition reaction in which two compounds combine together to form a single product. Oxidation of N2 and H2 both are 0. Here minus 3 plus 1. this is the decrease in oxidation number means reduction, and here increase in oxidation number means oxidation. This is the type of redox reaction in which addition or combination takes place. Second one is displacement reactions. Displacement reactions. Those reactions in which one atom or group is displaced by another atom or group. This is called displacement reaction. See here, for example, CuSO4 plus Fe gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Oxidation number of Cu is plus 2, S plus 6 minus 2, Fe is 0. Here plus 2 plus 6 minus 2, 0. You see here, the oxidation number of copper decreases, means it one is reduction, and the oxidation number of Fe increases, means oxidation. This is a type of redox reaction. This is displacement reaction in which Fe displaces copper from copper sulfate, and in this reaction reduction and oxidation both takes place. Hence it is also a type of redox reaction in which displacement of one atom by another takes place. Third one is disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. In these reactions, the oxidation and reduction both takes place of the same element. See here, P4, 3NaOH, 3H2O gives PS3, 3NaH2PO2. See here, the oxidation number of P in P4 is 0. Here it is minus 3, here it is plus 1. You can find from yourself like this. Here also P0 becomes P minus 3, means reduction takes place. Here P becomes plus 1, means oxidation takes place. The decrease and increase both takes place of the same element. Hence this is called disproportionation reaction. It is a very important type of reaction. Disproportionation reaction in which the oxidation number of same element decreases as well as increases. This is a type of disproportionation reaction. These all are about the various types of redox reactions. In my next lecture, I will discuss about the balancing of various reactions. Okay, thank you.